The first part is the reptilian brain, which is the lizard, the thing that came from the water. That's that part of it. The mammal brain, and that second part of the brain development of the human is connected to the animals. The frontal lobe is the new part that manages the reptilian and the animal and gives it a consciousness to discern how to use those two other parts of itself. And so in the essence of it is that when that sperm meets that egg and that metamorphosis comes about, what happens in that connection creates what's called the black dot. The black dot in itself is the spirit of creation, of the creator, which formulates that brain. All of that part, it turns into a tadpole because it's in the first two parts of our beginning, which is when you become an embryo, turns into a fetus. You're coming from that reptilian part, looking like a tadpole, then you begin to grow legs and arms, and then you grow the rest of the parts of the body, and you put everything, what color eyes, what color skin, how many fingers, everything that you're going to need in order to be able to come forth. Because see, in the womb is a place of protection, a place of possibilities, and a place of potential.
Inside of the womb.
Inside of the womb, because every human first house is the womb.
Yeah, that's true.
And so in that first house being the womb, that connection of the mitochondria DNA, because the woman carries the mitochondria, and she in essence is the record keeper, because it's in her DNA that everything, the blood, is transmitted into the being of consciousness. Because what's the first thing that happens when a woman is getting ready to have a child?
The water brain.
Water is memory and consciousness. You develop in memory and consciousness.